Hi, my name is Maggie Daniel, and I'm so glad that you are taking time out of your day to learn more about Monat and what we have to offer you. Just to give you a little bit of background about myself, I have been with Monat since March of 2015. I am a salon owner and hairstylist of nearly 15 years. I'm married to my high school sweetheart, and together we have 3 beautiful daughters, Caroline, Penelope, and Juliet. Now, life looked drastically different whenever I joined Monat. I was working in the salon full time. I also had 2 other side hustles, and my husband was working 2 jobs and helping out on the family farm while we were also managing rental property. Life was very busy. We had a 9-month-old, 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old. Our time as a family was very few and far between, and even though we had all of these opportunities to make an income, none of them were making ends meet. Something had to change, and that's when Monat came into our lives. I was a huge skeptic. I had watched my own sister go from public aid to 6 figures in a network marketing company, and I still had my doubts. But I decided nothing changes if nothing changes. So I pulled the trigger and signed up to be a market partner, and the rest is history. In just 2 weeks, I was able to earn my investment back, and now here we are, nearly 6.5 years later, with a very different looking life. I was able to sell those other side hustles and cut down my hours behind the chair so I could be more present as a wife and a mother. After a few years into the business, I was able to generate enough income for my husband to step back from his full-time position. He now gets to chase his dream as a freelance videographer, and being home together every single day has been the biggest blessing for our family. So that's just a little bit about me and the opportunities that Monat has given my family and changed our life in such a drastic way. So let's get to know what is Monat. So let's get to know a little bit more about Monat. Monat was started in September of 2014 by the Urdaneta family. This family is the heart and soul of this company. It is absolutely amazing to hear the story of the Urdanetas. They came from the slums of Venezuela and are here in America living out the true American dream. Monat is based out of Miami, so we are made right here in the US. The coolest part is we own our own manufacturing and distribution centers, so products are going straight from the conveyor belt to the truck to your doorstep. So those products are made fresh just for you. As a professional stylist, it was so cool to me to know that there is a scientific advisory board that stands behind our products at Monat. This board is made up of world-renowned doctors and scientists who do extensive testing and research on all of our products to make sure that not only do they perform on their promises, but they are also safe and effective for everyone from babies all the way up. When partnering with this brand, it was super important to me to have consumable products. I didn't want to have to change people's habits. I just wanted to be able to swap out the products they were using with something that was healthier and more safe for their families. And we have that here at Monat. A consumable product means that it builds residual income. So you are swapping out their hair care, their skin care, their body care, their wellness products with things that are safer and more effective for their family and for their health. And what that means is when they run out, they come back and they buy more. And that's how you build residual income with Monat. All of our products come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, but something that I think is mind-blowing is that with over 2 million happy customers, we have a less than 1% return rate. If that tells you anything about our products and their effectiveness, I don't know what else would. Forbes says that the best time to join a company is during global expansion and new product launches, and Monat is doing that constantly. When we started, we were just in the US. Then we launched in Canada, UK, Poland, Ireland, Spain, Lithuania, and just recently Australia, with plans to expand globally. Something that was super cool when we expanded into those other countries is we had to do no product reformulations. I don't know if you guys know this, but in countries like Canada and the UK, they have a very strict ingredient list and items that cannot be in their products to come into that country. The US, that list only has less than 100 items on it. But our products here at Monat are safe and effective, and we didn't have to reformulate anything to go into those countries that have a much stricter policy with ingredients. Not only are we expanding into new countries, but we're constantly coming up with new products. When I started in 2015, we only had 9 hair care products, and we have been adding to that collection ever since. In 2019, we introduced our skincare line, which is breaking records, winning awards. It is hands down the most amazing skincare line I have ever used. The same research and development that went into our hair care also went into our skincare to make it the top-notch best in the world. In 2020, we released our new wellness line. We all know that health starts on the inside, and if we wanted to have the best hair and skin, we needed to make sure that we were treating our body with the best ingredients that it needed internally so that we could also have those results on the outside. So we have a vegan protein, greens, collagen, energy, sleep drops. We have supplements with immune support and pre and probiotics. In 2021, we released our new body care line. From shower gels, exfoliants, body lotions, and serums, we are making sure that you are looking your best from the inside out with wellness, hair care, skincare, and body care. Who knows what's next? Monat is always using the most innovative technology mixed with the science and research and naturally based products to provide you with the best products on the market. Making a positive impact is such an important role here at Monat that we have an entire gratitude department focused solely on giving back. 100% of the proceeds that we raise through fundraising, events, and even special product launches goes right back into those communities. Whether it's a big organization like Big Brothers Big Sisters, Wounded Warriors, or maybe it's an area that's been devastated from a tornado or a hurricane, we are always looking for ways to give back, and we are also encouraged to not only give back at the corporate level, but at the local level too. So whether that's meeting with your team to have a local event and you're gathering diapers to give to the local pregnancy center or canned food for the food drive, we are always encouraged to give back and make an impact in our community. If you'd like to learn more about our gratitude initiatives, check out monatgratitude.com. Seriously, one of the absolute coolest part about this brand is that we are always looking for ways to give back and make an impact in communities across the globe. So, you've heard all about our company, but now what? There's 3 different ways that you can get involved with Monat. You can spend, save, or make money. The first way that you can get involved is to become a retail customer. What that means is you're going to pay full retail price and shipping, one and done, and that's it. No commitments. The second way that you can get involved is to save money by becoming a VIP customer. What that means is you're going to save 15% off of retail. You're going to get free shipping, a free limited edition product just for you. You're going to get a $25 birthday coupon. You're going to have access to our Purchase Plus discounts that go from 15 all the way up to 25%. And you're also going to earn a point for every dollar spent. And when you have 100 points, you get an additional $10 off coupon. How do you get that? You pay a one-time lifetime fee of $19.99. Unbelievable. You've heard of Sam's Club, you've heard of Costco, you've heard of Amazon, where you pay a fee and you continue to pay that fee over and over again to get those perks. But here at Monat, you're gonna pay that fee one time in your lifetime. That's how you can get involved to be a customer. To become a customer, VIP is 100% the way to go because you're going to save more money, get all of these perks and free shipping, plus freebie gifts. The third and final way that you can be involved with Monat is to become a market partner, just like me, to make an income through the nooks and crannies of your life. When you become a brand influencer with Monat, you only have to make a one-time investment of purchasing your product pack. A product pack ranges from $1.99 all the way up to $7.99 with a variety of products for you to try not only on yourself, but your friends and your family as well. These product packs, they come at a heavily discounted rate and they get the products in your hand for you to try and start building your story. After that, there's no more expenses. There's no monthly overhead. There's no quotas to meet. There's no inventory to carry, and there's no fees. You can seriously sign up 100% risk-free with a product pack and start building your business today. Some of the perks that come with being a market partner is you get a 30% off discount. You can also qualify for our Purchase Plus discounts from 15 to an additional 25% off. You get one-on-one mentorship. You get free coaching and training from world-renowned leaders in our business. We get paid every Friday with a bonus check on the 15th of every month, 5 times a month. Incredible. You also get the ability to earn a car. Smack dab in the middle of our comp plan, you have the opportunity to earn a Cadillac. I've been driving mine for now almost 5 years, and it is a beautiful luxury car paid for by Monat. One of the other perks that I didn't know was missing in my life was traveling. The opportunity to travel with Monat is incredible. We have multiple trips a year that you can earn, and I've been on over 15 in the last 6.5 years. And something that's super special that comes with this company is the community. There's nothing like building a business with some of your best friends. My best friends in this business are not even on my team, but there are other leaders in this company that have linked arms with me to help coach and train my team, and I do the same for them. It's truly something special to be able to kick the competition to the side and link arms with those who are like-minded individuals to cheer on each other and support each other and find your best friends right here in Monat. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to learn more about Monat and this amazing business opportunity. Please feel free to reach out so we can have a conversation about what this looks like for you and your family. A conversation is not a commitment, and my door is always open. Hope to have you as part of our Monat family soon.